In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Dropbox to online only. This is a helpful feature that can free up space on your local device while still allowing you access to your files. Let's dive right in and get started. First, launch Dropbox. You can do this by double-clicking the Dropbox icon on your desktop or finding it in your application menu. When you launch Dropbox, you will see the familiar interface that displays all your folders and files. It's important to ensure that you are logged into your account to access your stored files. This initial step sets the stage for the rest of the process, ensuring you have access to everything you need. Next, open your main Dropbox folder. This folder typically contains all the files and subfolders you have stored in your Dropbox account. You can access it directly from the Dropbox application or through your File Explorer. Once you have the main folder open, you will see all your files laid out in front of you. This clarity helps you quickly identify which files or folders you want to manage. It's crucial to be in the right directory so that you can easily find the specific files that you want to change to online only. Now, right-click on the specific file or folder you want to change. This action opens a context menu with various options related to the selected item. You will see choices like Open, Share, and others. Choosing the right option is essential. Ensure that you have selected the exact file or folder you want to manage. A simple mistake here could lead to changing the wrong file, so take a moment to verify your selection. Next, select Make Online Only from the context menu. This is a key step in the process. When you choose this option, the green checkmark icon next to your file will change to a gray cloud icon. This visual cue indicates that the file no longer uses local storage space on your device. It's important because it helps keep your local storage optimized, allowing you to manage your device's space more effectively. You can always access these online-only files whenever you need them, as they are still stored in your Dropbox account. This concludes the process of changing Dropbox files to online only. By following these steps, you ensure that your local storage is used more efficiently while still retaining access to all your important files. Remember, you can always revert any changes if needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you manage your Dropbox storage better.